그러셔가지고 좀 당황을 많이 했었던 기억이 있어요.
아 그럼 약간 차가 하다가도 세븐틴 됐을까 그럼?
Okay, so in that video, they said that they like going to Japanese onsens. If you don't know what an onsen is, it's like a sauna. So you would think na, okay, parang dito sa Philippines, naka-bathrobe ka, naka-towel ka, tapos magsasona ka. No! From what I know, if you call it an onsen or a Japanese onsen, bawal ang nakatowel, bawal ang naka-robe, bawal ang naka-underwear. Especially if you're in Japan. So are you getting what I'm saying? Nakahubad sila dun sa onsen. They will only provide you with a small towelette. Tapos nakita nyo ba yung sinabi ni Vernon na gano'n daw yung nangyayari sa onsen, may tatapik lang sa kanila tapos sasabihin, are you 17? Hi! Imagine nyo, Hoshi, Vernon, Wonwoo, Mingyu na nakatawelet lang. Kailangan ko pumunta ng Japan!